Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to tell you what exactly is Temu price cut and how does it work. So first of all, make sure that you are logged into your Temu account. So actually, Temu price cut is a referral-based promotion that allows user to receive selected items for free if they invite other people, which will be primarily new users, to click a link and reduce the price to zero. And they will have to do everything in 24 hours. If you would like to do the same, first of all, open your Temu app, navigate to the price cut promotional screen if you see it at this page. In my case, the scheme is not yet available in my region, but if you see the banner at the homepage, go ahead and tap onto it and select 2 to 5 items you want for free. Now you're going to have to watch the big drop. Temu will automatically trigger a massive initial cut, so it will visually slice the price by 90% or 95%, which will leave you with just a small remaining balance, maybe of a few dollars or coins. You're going to have to then simply tap on invite friends to cut to generate your unique referral link or code. You're going to have to share that link with your network, and likewise your first couple of invites will cut a large dollar amount. And the catch is that as you get closer to $0, the cuts suffer from diminishing returns. Your invites will start cutting by only $0.01 or fractions of a coin at a time. So if you are an existing user, sharing with people who already have Temu gives you almost no progress once you're close to the end. You must find new people who have never downloaded Temu in their applications before. And likewise, the trick is to keep an eye on that 24-hour timer. If you hit 0, Temu will ship the item completely for free. So guys, these are the things that you can try. Thanks for watching.